Your state of breathing and your state of mind are inseparable. So your mind follows the breath and your body follows the mind. So it makes sense that it would all be interconnected, right? Intertwined. So the slower and deeper your breath, the more control you have over your mind. And also you create an increased radiance and strength of your heart, because your heart is surrounded by this amazing energy that we know as prana. Prana is life force energy. It's raw life force energy. It's our source of it is the sun. When we as yogis consciously breathe, we're absorbing consciously more raw life force energy in the body. And then how do we utilize that? How are we going to utilize that? We can think of infinite numbers of ways that we can use that. So the mind follows the breath and the body follows the mind. As Kundalini yogis, we are known also as Pran yogis, P-R-A-N, Pran yogis. And what that means is that we are using Pranayam, which is the yogic science of breath control, and Bhandas, which are muscle contractions and or locks internally, to create this state of stillness, which we call Shunya, or the 0 point. When we get to the 0 point is the sweet spot that we want to get to, because that's where creation starts to happen, the Shunya, the 0 point.